Hi, my name is Cameron Marotto. This is for Lab 1 Do-It-Yourself Fun for COA. The project I made started out as a sunrise alarm clock, but that is a little impractical to show off in a video. So using the same components, I made a productivity manager. Now I recently had surgery about a week ago on my leg, and I'm not able to go to the gym, but I'm encouraged to, stand up, get some exercise throughout the day to keep the blood flowing. So what I made was something that's useful to me, and I have been using it all day yesterday and today. I made an alarm system to go off every hour and tell me to stand up. So I gotta stand up and go and wave my hand in front of the ultrasonic sensor to turn it off, and this only goes off throughout the day. It doesn't go off at night using the Photocell. I'll demonstrate that now. So the components I'm using are the ultrasonic sensor and real-time clock, Tiny RTC DS1307, a Photocell, the Piezo Speaker, temperature sensor, the 10K Trimpot, and a 10K Resistor for the Photocell, and the LCD display. It's about to go off. Okay, so as you saw, it went off exactly on the hour, and the LCD display is showing to stand instead of work. And so to turn it off, you'll have to get up and wave your hand in front of the distance meter, be within 3 inches, and then it'll go back to saying work, and the clock will keep going. And the next time this will alarm is at exactly 4 o'clock, down to the minute and second. Not really much else to show off other than show the backlight works. I'll show the circuit. Using the I2C protocol with the Tiny RTC. And used a bunch of male to female cables, so I was able to have more room on the breadboard. Some other components I found in another box I had. Shows the date and time. Also shows the current temperature in the room. It's more using this with the first project than this one, but I figured it was nice to know. Thank you. Alright, real quick, I wanted to demonstrate the use of the RTC in this project. As you see right now, it's 333 on the LCD, and this Tiny RTC has a CMOS battery in it that, without power, can keep the time and date for years without being powered on. And now I've been using this project away from my computer, so I actually have to get up and use it. So I'll disconnect it from the power source and hook it up to the battery pack I've been using. And it kept track of the time.